Hello, friends. Welcome back to Tasty Bites. Today, we're not talking about food, but about one of the most famous stories in history, the Titanic. It's a tale of dreams, luxury, and tragedy that the world can never forget. So, let's dive into the story of the Titanic in just a few minutes. The Titanic was the largest and most luxurious ship of its time. Built in Belfast, Ireland, it was often called the Ship of Dreams. People believed it was unsinkable because of its strong design and advanced safety features. In fact, some even said not even God could sink this ship. On April 10th, 1912, the Titanic began its very first journey, and it set sail from Southampton, England, heading towards New York City. More than 2,200 passengers and crew were on board. Among them were some of the richest people in the world, as well as ordinary families hoping for a new life in America. The Titanic was like a floating palace. It had swimming pools, grand dining halls, luxury cabins, and even live music every evening. First-class passengers enjoyed unmatched comfort, while even third-class passengers found better facilities than most ships of that time. But everything changed on the night of April 14th, 1912. The ship was sailing smoothly across the cold Atlantic Ocean when it struck a massive iceberg. The iceberg tore open the side of the ship, flooding several compartments. At first, many passengers didn't realize the danger. They believed the Titanic could never sink. But within hours, the truth became clear. The ship was doomed. Sadly, the Titanic didn't have enough lifeboats for everyone. Out of over 2,200 people, only about 700 survived. More than 1,500 lives were lost in the freezing waters of the Atlantic. The tragedy shocked the whole world. People were heartbroken that a ship once called unsinkable sank on its very first journey. After the disaster, new safety rules were created for all ships, like having enough lifeboats for every passenger and better communication systems at sea. Today, the Titanic remains one of the most famous ships in history. Books, documentaries, and movies, especially the blockbuster film Titanic, have kept its memory alive. The wreck of the Titanic was discovered in 1985, lying deep at the bottom of the ocean. The story of the Titanic is not just about a ship. It's about human hope, pride, and the reminder that nature is always stronger than man's creations. So friends, that was the unforgettable story of the Titanic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tasty Bites for more amazing stories. See you in the next video.